How to contact OANDA customer support. First of all, open your browser and go to the official OANDA website at oanda.com. On the homepage, scroll down to the bottom and look for the help under resources section. Click on it and this will take you to the OANDA Help Center where you can browse facts, guides and troubleshooting articles. If you need direct assistance, click on Contact Us. From here, you will see different ways to get help such as live chat, email support or phone support. Choose your preferred method. For quick responses, live chat is the fastest option. Simply enter your details and you will be connected with a support agent who can help with issues like account login, trading platform setup, deposits, withdrawals, or technical errors. By following these steps, you can easily reach OANDA's customer support team and get your issues resolved quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.